Striders?
Absolutely not. Nope, I'm not even going near that.
It's coming now.
Fire dog, burn him! Oh, never mind.
Mid-air jump recoilless is crazy.
That's actually insane.
That was actually kind of cool. Rickety wrecked. Oh, I can't even say without my throat clenching up.
Get rickety wrecked! Oh, shit, Kevin. I'm kind of like the Rick of the group.
Oh, great heavens!
Can't get him anymore.
I don't know where he is.
There's two of them. There's two of them.
I think I missed. I think I missed. I think I missed.
You did. You did. There's two of them.
Oh, that's Seep.
Defend me. Defend me. Where's the other one? There's another one in there.